live. Welcome. My name is Mort Yelvington of Morph Transform Your Reality, where I help you step out of trauma and reclaim your power. And I want to start this live and share with you something that most of you probably don't know or aren't familiar with. And so during this conversation, if there's anybody that you know or that you think this information can be useful for, please share with them, because my goal here is for as many people listening to really heal their bodies so they can be open to receive. And I've been doing this work for over 20 years now. And one of my biggest capacities with this work is to really clear the trauma out of your body. And so many of us think that trauma has to be this big thing that happened in our life. You know, being abused or being hurt by somebody else, having your parents get divorced or losing somebody in your life. And yes, those are all really big traumatic events that do leave these really big dents in our body and our soul. But trauma can also be someone saying something to you, something that stuck with you, that you carried with you for the next 20 years. And every time you thought about it, it felt like a punch in the stomach. Trauma can be anywhere that you changed who you are in order to fit in. Maybe with your family, maybe with your friends. And so many times we cut so many parts and pieces of us off to fill this role, to fill a storyline. And we're not aware that when we do this, we cut off our ability to receive. Because when we experience trauma and we lose a part of us, receiving feels very scary. And so when we close the door on receiving, our subconscious thinks it's keeping us safe. And when we're not aware that we have unresolved trauma, what happens is there's this block in the back of our mind holding us back from receiving what we desire, because receiving equals change. Receiving equals not safe. And so this alarm, the subconscious alarm goes and the door is closed. So even though you're asking the universe to show up, even though you're manifesting things, maybe you're meditating and you're doing the affirmations and you're writing in your journal, you might be doing all these things. But if you're disconnected from your body, if your body is scared of receiving, if your body is in safety mode, a lot of the stuff that you're asking for is probably not showing up. So there's nothing that you're doing wrong here. It's just that there's a subconscious belief in you keeping you safe. And so on the 27th, I'm doing a 5-day free event where we're going to rewire your system, rewire your nervous system, that receiving is safe. And we're going to open that receiving door. But for us to do all that, we need to make sure that your body feels good and safe and open to receive. Okay? And so this is a completely free 5-day transmission. This is something that I could probably sell for thousands of dollars. So if you're stumbling upon this live, and this is something that is striking a chord with you, while I'm speaking, you feel inside of you a pull, an energetic pull. It's because this message is directly to you. 2026 is the year to let go and release all the blocks, all the limitations holding you back. And so if you're feeling the pull, if you somehow stumbled upon this, if somebody sent this to you, if you are exposed to this right now, it's because this message is for you. We start next Tuesday. If you actually show up and you do this and you sign up and you see the recordings, if you can't watch the live, your life will shift and change in the most miraculous way. And I've seen this happen time and time again, working with clients for the past 20 years. The transformation is unstoppable, unrecognizable. People that were in pain, people that were suffering, people that were lost, everything has changed for them. And you could be one of these people if you choose to show up for yourself. If you choose to allow your body to release the pain. If you choose to finally let go of these limitations and everything that's holding you back. If you choose to step out of trauma into your power and to open up to receive. There's a link in my bio. I would love to see you there. This is my life's work. I'm so dedicated to this. I'm so invested in this. And my goal is for every person on this planet that is suffering to experience this transmission so they can be also open to receive. Because the more of us that are open to receive, the quicker and faster we change this reality. So come play. I can't wait to see you. I adore you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.